It was a display of the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people in the southeast as the NTITV, an online television station which promotes Igbo culture, marked its one-year anniversary at Isela Zagba in Oshiri North local government area. Eunice Emeazia reports.
The traditional setting of the venue of the celebration and the variety of traditional dishes was a sight to behold. The arrival of Ezuzu Ichida into the venue changed the tune of the celebration as many left their seats to welcome him and his entourage in the Igbo traditional way. Million Wiro Cultural Group and the Anyidan Onyichaka thrilled the audience. The Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Engineer Lawrence Ejiofor, represented by one of his aides, the Omu of Anyoma, Obi Mafadunku, represented by the Secretary of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, Mr. Patrick Oche, the Obi of Isela Zaba, who was also represented, stressed the importance of culture and tradition to the development of the society, adding that they were impressed with the way the Nwatu N.T.I. had focused its programs on promoting the people's culture. They lauded the managing director of the station, High Chief Camillus Eze, for citing his office in Delta State and reiterated the efforts of Governor Fanyokoa to preserve culture and promote tourism in the state.
Culture of every tribe in Delta State, he has always been passionate about it. You can see from all he's doing, and I believe he has something else that he's already hidden, that he wants to bring into light very soon. I think I wouldn't want to open the basket before the state government, but the Senator Dr. Ifeanyi-Okowa-led government is very passionate about culture.
I'm impressed with what they are doing here today. You know, talking about culture. Culture is about the way of life. You know, it's about us. So you can see people are coming back home. People are beginning to recognize those things that our forefathers used to do.
What I saw